In this video, I will show you how to create a Zillow account. To do this, simply can open up the Zillow app or website, and first you want to go and click on sign in even if you don't yet have an account. From there you can then click new to Zillow and then click on create account, so click on that. And then you can either enter an email address that you want to sign up with, or you can continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. I'll just continue with Google, although if you are a professional, so say you are a realtor, then you want to click I am a professional, and then you can create an account for a professional. But in this case, I will create more of a buyer account and just click continue with Google. Now, after doing that, you have already created your account. As you can see now in the top right, you have your account. From there, you can also go through your account settings. You can add your home, your team, manage your tours, and everything else from within here. So now you know how to create a Zillow account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.